lazy day for me today. It's already 4 PM and I've only just left the hospital. So I've taken an easy day today just to chill out. Didn't sleep too well yesterday as there was a few wild Snorlaxes in the room. So I took it easy. But now I am off to the Olympic Village. So the 2008 Olympic Games were held here in Beijing. So I'm gonna go check out the Bird's Nest Stadium and the Aquatic Centre. Guys, stop unsubscribing. I know I'm not in India anymore, but please don't unsubscribe. Keep watching, learn some stuff about China, and maybe inspire yourselves to go. Also, I have updated the name of my Instagram. It's now just christravelvlog, like my YouTube and my Facebook. I'm going to start to post more on Instagram, like once a day, and start posting more on my Facebook, actually different things, not just posting the videos. So make sure you check them out, subscribe, like, and yeah, follow my adventure. So just looking at the subway map, I've got to go a few changes. I've got to go change to this line, go to that line, then go up, and it's around here. Not sure which one, there's two to choose from. I imagine it's Sports Centre. So every time they always check my water, I guess they're checking for explosive devices or flammable things. But I need to rush if I want to get there in time before it gets dark. It's a real shame, I really should have judged this better. As it's not a good day in weather, the pollution and the view is not great. Hopefully when it lights up at night, it should only be like half an hour, 45 minutes. Should be alright.
导游讲解及旅游信息咨询30元每位，学生。
So it turns out I have time to go inside the Bird's Nest Stadium and the Aquatic Centre. So that's good, that's good. It's open till 7 each day. So a ticket for the water cube is 30 yuan, or for a student it's 15. And I believe for the stadium it's 50 yuan or 25 for a student. So at the moment I've only got the ticket for the water cube. Apparently you get the ticket for the stadium by the stadium. But I'm going to go to the water cube first as I have the ticket. So they now turn the water cube actually into a water park. So it's good, it's still getting some use after all that money was spent in it. But unfortunately the Bird's Nest, even though it's such an amazing structure, is barely ever used. On very rare occasions I think it's held there. But still, I'm looking forward to going inside. I wanted to do this a couple of years ago but didn't have any time to go through stuff in Beijing. So glad I came back. Ni hao. Ah. Xi xi. It's not very well signposted. I'm not sure where I'm going within this building. And obviously it's a massive structure. I guess some of it's cordoned off because it's the water park, but I'm not sure. So I need to be in a little bit of a rush as I've got 2 hours to do this and the Bird's Nest. Okay, I can take a peek at what the water park looks like. It's closed now. So I'm guessing this used to be the pool, judging by the stands, which is now completely covered over with the floor, and it looks like some sort of TV event or something's going on because there's cameras and they're setting up something. But so far it's a bit of a dud. There's nothing to really indicate that it was the Olympic venue, so probably not worth coming into this. So I'm going to head now to the Bird's Nest. architecturally speaking, the Bird's Nest is apparently one of the most amazing stadiums ever built. You can see why, it's absolutely awesome. Such a unique design. Okay, so the basic ticket gets you access to the first floor and the 5th floor, and then you can pay upwards for more tickets to go see other places, but that'll do for me. Now apparently I've got to take an elevator. It's a bit ghostly. I guess it's the time of night I'm coming. So the place has been turned into like a little winter wonderland. They've got curling, ice skating. No one's really here, but you can do it. Again, I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed. I was really hoping to see the actual track itself, the track that Usain Bolt set the world record on. Go check out the top floor now, maybe I'll get better photos, better video. Okay, I can go all the way to the very last row at the top of the stadium. That's pretty cool. Almost fell. Top of the Bird's Nest. Ooh. So I spent the last half an hour, 45 minutes or so just trying to photograph the water cube. That one wasn't so bad, it's nicely lit. But the Bird's Nest, I don't know if it's a mixture of too much light or just the general pollution, but very hard to get a good photo and to get it all in. But I'm gonna head back now. Worth the trip. Wouldn't say it's the best thing or as good as I was hoping for. I was hoping the Bird's Nest would still be quite original, had the track, and there was only a tiny portion of that. The rest is now covered over with ice. But if you're here and you got a spare few hours, it's worth coming down. So I'm just back at the hostel and I'm looking at the Lonely Planet for Beijing, just a Beijing only guide, and I've just come across the scams, and out of the 4 that are in here, the thing that happened to me today was 2 of them.